Hi everyone, welcome to Istanbul and welcome to the Eyüp Sultan neighbourhood of the city. So stick to the end of this video because you're going to see the best views of Istanbul, and these views are free. It doesn't cost you anything to go to these views in Istanbul. It's a free viewpoint in the city. So in this video I'm showing you around the Eyüp Sultan neighbourhood of the city, and this is where the Pierre Loti viewpoint is located. So the Pierre Loti viewpoint is a free viewpoint that you can visit and you can get views of the whole city, take pictures. It is really spectacular and I definitely recommend you go to it. So click the like button right now, make sure you click thumbs up right now. It takes you less than a second, and also click subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It does really help out the channel. So click like, click subscribe, and also go to the description of this video because you can book tours of Istanbul in the description. So click onto the description, use the top link, you can book tours. So this is the Pierre Loti viewpoint. You get incredible views of the whole city. And it's free. You don't have to pay to go up to these views. However, you can take a funicular. So a cable car will take you up to these viewpoints. You can take a cable car. You can use an Istanbulkart to do that. So you have to use an Istanbulkart. Istanbulkart is the card you use for the Istanbul public transport system. So when you come to Istanbul, you need to purchase an Istanbulkart because that card allows you to use the public transport in the city, and this funicular that I went down is part of that system. So I definitely recommend you take it. You get nice views.